Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video, favorite craft ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, felt fabric crafts are fun, creative, and easy to way to make handmade decoration gifts and tile felt is soft, colorful, and very friendly. You don't need swing skills to make beautiful crafts. In this video, we will cover easy dye felt crafts ideas, step-by-step tips for decoration gifts and home decoration for Jeff White. Crafts. Let's start our creative journey. Why felt is perfect for crafts. Felt is one of the best fabric for crafting because it is not free, so you don't need to. It is comes bright color, beautiful colors, easy to cut, glue and change, lightweight and soft, perfect for kids, crafts, home decoration and gifts. Even learners can create something beautiful and professional looking with felt flower. One of the most popular felt craft is felt flower. How to make them: cut pastel sheets from felt in your favorite color, layer them from flowers like rose and tulips blue, or hand stitch the pastel together. Add a small beads or butter in the center for details, hair clip or hairband, branches or pin table decoration. Felt flower will last longer than rare flowers, are usable and weavers. And friends, felt keychains and gems. Felt is perfect for making cute keychains, tabs, cut shapes like heart, star, animal, or fruits from the midges, or glue them lightly. Stuff with cotton or felt scarf. Attach a keyring or to furs or school gifts. Bags charm for handmade or backpacks. These crafts are simple and affordable. And weavers, felt coaster and table mat. Felt can also be used for home decoration projects. Cut circles, hair shapes from felt, layer different color for contrast. Hand stitch or glue them together. Weavers and soft and protective for tables, perfect for gifts and everyday use. You can also add small embroidery stitches, patterns for extra elegance. Please, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks.